Hello students, this is me Abdul Basit. Today I'm here to bring an exciting lecture for the basics of Bootstrap for you guys. Students, in our last lecture we have learned about the table stripe class. We made a table and used this class and we got a stylized stripe table at the end. As you can see, its code, its result too. This is its code in front of you guys. We have used table stripe class and you can see its result as well right here. Right here you can see zebra striped has been created on the rows of this table. Now this is the time to move towards the more styling about bootstrap table. So in this lecture we will learn about the border table. We will learn about the border table that first of all, see that this table is looks beautiful, but there is no border around it. You can see from left to right there are no border behind the column. So in this lecture we will make it bordered and you will see how beautiful it looks when we created the border. So don't waste your time and let's get started. First of all, I will make a copy of this file. Yep, I've copy and I will give it a name of bordered. So we will create our table bordered class inside the border.html. Now we are in border.html. Simply our table has been made already. You can see table class. Inside the table class there are table head and table body, and inside table head there are its own columns, and inside the table body there are multiple rows, and inside the multiple rows there are multiple columns, and you can see them here. Sorry, this is not our current file, this is our current file here. And you can see this is the table head row and it has only 4 columns in one row. But in table body you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 rows, and in 7 rows there are multiple columns, 1 2 3 4. Each row has 4 columns. Now this is the time to come towards the main point of this lecture. So the main point of this lecture is a class simply, that is table bordered. We write the class of table bordered and save it with Control S simply, and check in your browser after refreshing your page and you can see bordered has been created already on your table rows and columns. And now suppose that there is no bootstrap. How you will create these borders? Now answer is you will create these borders with the help of CSS, and CSS is not you can say such an easy way to creating such things for the beginners, right? So Bootstrap allows us to avoid CSS as much as we can, as much as possible. So Bootstrap give us these gifts. Simply write table bordered and the table border has been created. So is it a gift, Bootstrap? Yes, it is a gift. Now you can make it more attractive by using the class that we discussed in the last lecture, that is table striped, when we use table striped along with table bordered. Save it with Ctrl S and refresh your page, and you can see now it is looking more beautiful. So now our table is more beautiful than last class, and the best one since before the last two classes. So that was the part of our table styling. Our table styling has not been finished yet. We'll see you in next lecture with some more classes related to table styling. So take care till then. We'll see you in next lecture.